and welcome to the second tutorial in this series. In this video I will be going over some of the most common variables used in Java and what they do and how to use them. I will be using the same program we created in the previous video. Alright, let's get started. So to start it off, one of the most common variables used is generally an integer or an int. And to create one, you just do int variable that you want to name it. So a, we'll start with that, equals, and then an integer value. So let's do 5. So all this does, this just stores any integer value, pretty self-explanatory. We can just print it here, a plus a. Now when we run, we'll see 5 appear. Next is a double. Now this stores any number that is not just any number and decimal value. Now they do have limitations, so you can use larger variables, but that we'll talk about later on as it's not as commonly used. So this could be 5.5 for example. Double, oh sorry, my bad, b equals out b plus b, and then we get into a variable called a boolean. Now a boolean is a true or false variable, so it can either equal true or false, nothing else. So here we have it to true, so then we'll set print out C, and we should see it print true. And then we have a string to create this. It's a capital S, string, d equals. Now these can equal any amount of text. So let's do, this is a string, like this, and then we go d. So what we've done here, we've gone over int, double, boolean, and string. These aren't the only variables in Java, but these are what I would consider the most common. So let's just click run and see it in action. So as you can see, our integer is 5, our double is 5.5, our boolean returned true, and our string printed this is a string. That's everything for today's video. If you'd like to see more, please continue the series as it will get more advanced in the future. These are just the more basic videos at the start, of course, because then once we have this, we'll build off it and make some pretty cool stuff.